and welcome back to the Priyanka Rattawa show. Today we are going to make a utterly delicious Palak Patte ki chaat. Have you heard of Palak Patte ki chaat before? If not, then let me tell you, this is a very famous chaat found in Delhi. It's a combination of bhajia and chaat, so you can imagine how yummy delicious it will be. Let's make the batter for the palak bhajiyas, for which we will need chickpeas flour or besan, little rice flour, salt to taste, turmeric, red chili powder, dhania powder, ajwain or carom seeds, garam masala, a pinch of hing, kasuri methi. Crush it between your palms. Give everything a mix and then add water to make a not so thick, not so thin consistency batter. Beat the batter nicely so that it becomes smooth and our bhajiyas will be super crisp. This is the consistency I am looking for so that it coats the spinach leaves nicely. Take thick curd or yogurt, add salt, black salt, roasted cumin powder or jeera powder and sugar. Whisk it nicely and then keep it aside. Now take a spinach or palak leaf, dip it nicely so that it's completely coated with the batter and then deep fry in very hot oil. If you have big spinach leaves, you can cut it into half and then fry. Flip it so that both the sides are nicely golden brown. Looks perfect. Let's drain the excess oil and then take out on a paper towel. I'm going to take out these little pakoras. We can use these in the chaat as well. Our bhajiyas are ready. You can serve it right away with some chutney. I'm going to give it a different look. So let's add all the chicken and chaat flavor to it. Drizzle a layer of whisk curd on all the bhajiyas. Green or dhania ki chutney, tamarind or imli ki chutney. You can find the recipe for green chutney and tamarind chutney in my channel, so do check it out. I'll link it in the description box. Finely chopped onions, finely chopped and de-seasoned tomato, sprinkle roasted jeera powder, red chili powder and chaat masala. Pour another layer of curd and chutneys. It's up to you how much topping you like in your chaat. Put accordingly. Lastly, garnish with nylon sleeve and pomegranate kernels or anardana. Don't forget our mini pakoris. Sprinkle it over. It adds a crunch. Take each palak patta and put it on the serving plate. This way the serving plate doesn't look messy. It has to be served immediately after frying so that the spinach leaves are crispy. If you want to impress your family and friends, then try making this chaat in your next party or get together. Everybody is just going to love it. Believe me, even after adding so many toppings, it's still crispy. Palak adds a new taste to the puree. Let's start by making the spinach puree. I have taken spinach leaves which are cleaned and roughly chopped. Let's put it in a blender. Next goes in grated ginger. Now I'll grind it into a smooth puree. The spinach puree is ready. Let's mix the puree with the whole wheat flour to make a smooth dough. Into a bowl, let's take some whole wheat flour or atta. Next goes in salt, ajwain. Ajwain helps in digestion, hing or asafoetida. Let's add some oil and the spinach puree. Let's knead it with our hands and make a smooth dough. Let's coat it with some oil. So our dough is ready. We will allow the dough to rest for around 10 minutes. Please follow the exact measurements and the directions you need in the description box below. So the dough has rested for 10 minutes. Now let's make small balls out of it. In this way, we will make the rest of the balls. Let's drizzle some oil on the balls. And now let's roll it into puri. I have rolled all the puris. For frying, we have heated vegetable oil in the pan. Let's fry the puris. Let's put the puris in the oil. We will fry it until both the sides are lightly golden brown. Make sure that the oil is hot, otherwise the puris may absorb the oil. Let's drain the excess oil and take it out on a paper towel. All our puris are fried and now it's ready to be served. Palak Puri is a healthy and colorful variation of the regular puri. Kids as well as adults will love this crispy green color puris. Palak Paneer is one of the most popular Indian curries जो बहुत ही healthy and delicious होती है। आज हम घर पर रेस्टोरेंट स्टाइल का पालक पनीर बनाएंगे। पालक इतना हेल्दी है, आयरन से भरपूर एंड सो न्यूट्रिशियस जो बच्चों को पसंद नहीं आता, लेकिन अगर आप इसे पालक पनीर के स्टाइल में प्रेजेंट करेंगे तो वो चट कर जाएंगे। ट्राई करके देखिए। लेट्स स्टार्ट बाय ब्लैंचिंग द स्पिनच। ब्लैंचिंग के लिए मैंने पानी पहले से गर्म कर रखा है। अब हम इसमें पालक ऐड करेंगे। ये हमारे पालक गए गर्म पानी में। इसे 2 से 3 मिनट तक कुक होने देंगे। अब मैं पालक को ठंडे पानी में डाल दूंगी। इससे ये जल्दी से कुक होना बंद हो जाएगा एंड हमारी प्यूरी में अच्छा ग्रीन कलर आ जाएगा। ब्लेंडर में ट्रांसफर करेंगे। लिड बंद करके अब मैं इसे स्मूथ ब्लेंड करूंगी। हमारी पालक की प्यूरी रेडी है। अब हम सब्जी बनाते हैं। हीट अप अ पैन एंड ऐड सम ऑयल। नेक्स्ट थोड़ा बटर ऐड करेंगे। टेम्परिंग के लिए जीरा या क्यूमिन ऐड करेंगे। स्टर इट। नेक्स्ट 2 होल रेड चिलीज ऐड करूंगी। अ पिंच ऑफ असाफेटिडा या हींग। Finely chopped onions. अच्छी तरह मिलाएंगे and cook it until the onions turn soft. देखिए अनियंस का कलर चेंज हो गया है। अब हम बारीक कटे टमाटर ऐड करेंगे। कसा हुआ जिंजर या अदरक, गार्लिक। मिक्स वेल। कवर करके 5 मिनट्स तक कुक करेंगे। लेट्स चेक इट। टमेटोज अच्छे से कुक हो चुके हैं। अब हम इसमें कुछ मसाले डालेंगे। धनिया पाउडर, लाल मिर्च पाउडर एंड हल्दी, जीरा पाउडर, हल्का सा गरम मसाला। सबको मिक्स कर लेंगे एंड मसालों को 1 मिनट तक कुक होने देंगे। मैं होममेड पनीर यूज कर रही हूँ। अगर आप पनीर घर पर बनाना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज क्लिक द अबव लिंक। क्यूब्स ऑफ पनीर हल्के हाथों से मिलाएंगे ताकि पनीर टूटे ना। सारे मसाले पनीर में अच्छी तरह कोट हो गए हैं। अब हम हमारी पालक प्यूरी ऐड करेंगे। ग्रीन एंड हेल्दी पालक प्यूरी। प्यूरी का बहुत ही सुंदर ग्रीन कलर आया है। Salt as per taste. Stir it and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Lastly, squeeze in half a lime juice. Switch off the stove and हमारी सब्जी तैयार है। Let's serve it. गार्निश के लिए मैं इसमें थोड़ा पनीर ग्रेट करूंगी and done. ये सब्जी सभी एज ग्रुप के लिए काफी न्यूट्रिशियस है और सर्दी में तो इसका मजा ही कुछ और है। गर्मा गर्म रोटी या पराठे के साथ इसे सर्व करें। आई एम श्योर आपकी फैमिली को ये पसंद आएगा। Recently, this has become a hit in my family and it works great as a lunchbox. Let's start by preparing the spinach puree. I have some spinach or palak, add ginger and blend using little water. Take whole wheat flour or गेहूं का आटा, salt, mix it, add the spinach puree and combine to make the dough similar to that of chapati. Coat it with oil and knead it. Cover with a kitchen towel. Let this dough rest for a while and we move on to make our paneer filling. In a pan, take some olive oil. For tempering, add cumin or jeera, curry or mustard, pinch as a fatida, onions. Saute the onions for a minute. And then add red bell peppers, capsicum, tomatoes, grated ginger and garlic. Mix it and saute the veggies at medium heat. I like to keep my onions and peppers crunchy. If you are cooking for the kids, cook it a bit more so that it becomes soft. Let's add few spices: coriander powder, red chili powder, turmeric, cumin powder, chaat masala, little garam masala, and amchur. Roast the masalas for a minute. Then add tomato ketchup. Next, paneer or cottage cheese cubes. Salt to taste. Mix everything well. It's already looking so yummy. Add coriander leaves. Mix it and our stuffing is ready. I'll quickly make an onion salad. Take sliced onions, mint leaves or pudina, lemon juice, little chaat masala, mix it and it's ready. If you're planning to make these for the lunch box, you can always prepare the dough and the filling the previous night and make the rolls in the morning without any hassle. Let's make our rolls. Take some dough and roll it to make a tikki shape. Sprinkle some dry flour. Using a rolling pin, roll it into a thin big circle. Onto a hot tawa. Put little oil and cook on both sides. Don't make the roti crisp, otherwise it will be difficult to roll. Cook until you get light brown spots on both sides. This looks good. Now put the paneer filling on one side of the roti. Some onion salad. And then roll it tightly, pushing the stuffing inside like so. I'm going to pierce toothpick and cut it into half. Voila, it's ready to eat. This recipe is perfect for your fussy eaters who don't like to eat spinach. And coming to paneer, it is a very good source of protein for vegetarians and a must for growing kids. And And I guess all the kids love paneer. Give this a try and let me know your experience in the comment section. Many of us are not fond of green leaves like spinach, fenugreek, and this holds true with kids as well. But when we mix the greens with dals or lentils, the dish becomes more healthy and tasty. Today I am going to show you how to make palak ki dal. Spinach is a superfood and is extremely high in antioxidants, iron, calcium and vitamins. I have washed and soaked the arad dal for 1 hour. Arad dal is also called tur dal or pigeon pea lentils. Into a pressure cooker, let's add the soaked tur dal, chopped tomatoes, grated ginger, salt to taste, turmeric powder, add water and give it a stir. Let's close the pressure cooker. Let's pressure cook for 3 to 4 whistles. Allow the pressure to be completely released and then open the pressure cooker. Meanwhile, we will start making the palak tadka. For that, I have washed the spinach leaves and roughly chopped them. In a large pan, pour in some ghee or clarified butter, cumin or jeera, mustard or rayi. Stir it. I'm going to add 2 whole red chilies and a bay leaf or tej patta. Next goes in a pinch of asafoetida or hing, finely chopped onions. Cook at medium flame until the onions become brown. Tempering in ghee or butter enhances the flavor and aroma of the dal. The onions look good. I'm going to take out a bit of tempering for garnishing. Let's keep this aside. Next goes in finely chopped tomatoes, minced garlic and roughly chopped spinach or palak. Stir it and cook at medium heat until the palak is soft. It will take around 5 minutes. Meanwhile, let's check our dal. The dal looks well cooked. Now using a hand blender, I'm going to blend the dal. Blend it to get a smooth consistency. Our spinach is well cooked. Now let's add few spices. Coriander powder, red chili powder, little garam masala. Stir and roast the spices for 1 minute. Let's slowly pour in our cooked dal. Mix everything well. I'm going to add little water. Adjust the quantity of water as per the consistency you like. Allow it to simmer at medium flame for 5 minutes or until the dal starts boiling. Finally, add some lime juice. Sprinkle some fresh coriander leaves and add jaggery or sugar. Give a stir and switch off the stove. Let's serve this piping hot delicious dal. Garnish it with the tadka we kept and a dollop of butter. Our utterly butterly hot dal is ready. This is one of the most made palak recipes in Indian homes. Healthy and delicious. This protein-rich dish can be served with hot rotis and plain rice. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Subscribe to Akshay Foods and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notification of my latest videos. Eat healthy and stay happy. See you again. Bye-bye.